Good evening, Philippines. This is Mike, and we are back to our latest analysis for this Wednesday through Friday, March 23 to 25, 2022. And this is our English version brought to you by Typhoon 2000. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest graph set for today, Wednesday until tomorrow, Thursday. The Philippine Islands will remain, as of this time, calm, with light winds from variable directions, and in the afternoon or evening there might be some rain showers and thunderstorms. Now up north along the Batanes and Batanes Group of Islands, we have a crossing of a frontal system moving towards the east-northeast, southeast of Okinawa, and this frontal system, also known as the stationary front, will bring some cloudy and wind conditions across the Batanes and Batanes Group of Islands within the next 24 hours. So far in the Philippine Islands, just like I said earlier, it's all clear across our country. And outside of PAR, we don't have any developing LPA or tropical cyclone within the next 5 to 10 days. We just have here the intertropical convergence zone starting to gear up across the Micronesia. And if we take a look at the zoom-in satellite animation, there are some stray thunderstorms which developed for the past few hours across northern and central Luzon, including the northern portions of Metro Manila, but starting to wane down as of this time. And elsewhere, it's all clear with very small chances of afternoon or evening rain showers and thunderstorms. Now here's the zoom-in satellite animation from windy.com, beginning at 5:30 until 11 o'clock this evening. Here comes some developing thunderstorms across northern and central Luzon, but starting to wane down as we move into midnight. And very small thunderstorms has brought some heavy downpour across the northern sections of Metro Manila. And there are also some thunderstorms here across the western sections of Zamboanga Peninsula and some portions of Davao region and Sorsogon. And that's the latest. If we take a look at the wind forecast for the next 3 days, by tomorrow afternoon, we expect the northeasterly surface wind flow to commence across extreme northern Luzon, while the Bicol region and eastern Visayas will have some light winds from the easterlies. And on Friday afternoon, the easterlies will continue to prevail across the Bicol region, eastern Visayas, portions of Mimaropa, and also along the eastern sections and northern coastal areas of Mindanao, while southeasterly surface wind flow will be expected across extreme northern Luzon. And on Saturday afternoon, easterlies will continue to affect the eastern coastal areas of the Bicol region, eastern Visayas, and we have here a possible circulation, a part of a surface trough, moving into the eastern sections of Mindanao, and southerly winds and variable winds will be expected across extreme northern Luzon. And we have here another frontal system trying to develop to the east of Taiwan. And that's the wind forecast. Now let's take a look at the rain forecast for the next 3 days from the European model, courtesy of windy.com. Tomorrow afternoon, Thursday, we might be seeing some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms across Cagayan Valley and also Ilocos region and Zambales and portions of Pangasinan and La Union as well. While the Bicol region, Metro Manila, and parts of southern Tagalog provinces will remain clear with some cloudy conditions and very small chances of isolated rain showers and thunderstorms. While over at eastern Visayas, portions of the eastern and while the rest of the Visayas will have isolated rain showers and thunderstorms tomorrow afternoon, becoming more frequent across Samar and Leyte provinces, as well as here over the Mindanao area, over Sorsogon, Lanao provinces, and Zamboanga Peninsula. There will be isolated rain showers and thunderstorms as well. And on Friday afternoon, The thunderstorm activity across Luzon will just be concentrated along the Cordillera Mountain Range and Ilocos region, and over Calabarzon, and also portions of Bicol region, Eastern Visayas, becoming more frequent over the Lanao provinces of Central Mindanao and Zamboanga Peninsula. And on Saturday afternoon, thunderstorms still persist across the mountainous areas of northern and central Luzon, Bicol region, particularly Camarines provinces, and Bicol region, particularly Camarines Norte and the coastal areas of Camarines Sur, and becoming more frequent over eastern Visayas and Carga region of northeastern Mindanao because of an approaching surface trough, which I've already mentioned to you in a few slides before this. So there might be an approaching surface trough here. Okay. And if we take a look at the rainfall accumulation for the next 3 days, it looks like the thunderstorm activity will just be concentrated along the northern sections of Luzon, particularly Cagayan Valley, Ilocos region, and over the areas of central, western, and southern Mindanao, including Davao region and Zamboanga Peninsula. There might be some showers and thunderstorms here, and also including the eastern sections of Leyte and Caraga region, particularly Surigao provinces, Dinagat, and Siargao Islands. Okay, so far that's the latest for the rainfall accumulation forecast until Saturday. Now, before we leave you, here's again the latest Climate Prediction Center Global Tropics Hazards and Benefits Outlook. For the next 2 weeks, we will monitor if there will be some above or below average rainfall, as well as tropical cyclone formation. So far, the good news, there is no tropical cyclone formation as of this printed graphics, which was released today, Wednesday, on week 1, valid March 23 to March 29. Normal climate conditions will prevail over the Philippine Islands, meaning we are going to experience more tropical heat, okay, brought about by the hot dry season, while the above average rainfall is only focused on the Caroline and Micronesian Islands. Now on week 2, valid March 30 to April 5, the Philippine Islands, the Philippine Islands will be under the influence of above average rainfall, meaning there could be some thunderstorms activity. Surface trough will be expected across various sections of the Philippine Islands. So this forecast is at high confidence, as you can see it here, above average rainfall, but we will double check that for next Wednesday if this will come true. And there might be some formation of a low pressure area here over the eastern coastline of the Philippine Islands, east of Mindanao. So we are going to take a look at that beginning this weekend through Monday. Okay, so far that ends our update for today, Wednesday, and we will return on Friday to give you more update on the weather. From Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always, be #WeatherWiser, and thank you so much for watching our channel. Good evening to all of you.